नमस्कार दोस्तों। हेलो हाय, कैसे हो आप? हाउ आर यू? फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज वी विल डू रनिंग। 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and repeat again. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Relax. Second exercise we will do, पैर खोलेंगे. Open your legs and reverse. Start. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Again we will do 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. हाथ ऐसे रखेंगे. 1 और अपने घुटने मोड़ेंगे. सी. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Next exercise, see. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. And next exercise, I'm telling you, this is very useful for your health. Do you compulsory daily. Very, very useful. Sit straight, back straight, backbone straight. Breathe in from nose and breathe out from mouth. Most focus on breathe out. Sit in Gyan Mudra. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. And now rest your body. Focus on your breath. And now next exercise we will do rub your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just clapping. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax your body. And now we will do meditation. Sit straight, close your eyes, sit in Gyan Mudra. Focus on your breath. Let's feel all the parts. Namaskar. Thank you very much.